Not every toilet flushes equally. Flush performance comes down to three measurable things: the technology driving the flush cycle, the trapway design moving waste out, and the certified gram rating from MAP testing. This list covers 7 toilets, each with a specific flush performance story, from MAP certified designs to pressure-assisted and dual-nozzle centrifugal systems. Opening this list is the TOTO Drake, the toilet most consistently cited for flush performance across consumer testing publications and professional trade reviews. The Drake uses TOTO's Tornado Flush system, a hole-free rim with 2 angled nozzles that generate a centrifugal washing motion rather than a direct downward pour. That design routes water along the bowl wall in a spiral pattern, using momentum to carry waste through the trapway rather than relying on volume alone. The bowl carries Cephiontect coating, an ultra-smooth glaze that prevents waste adhesion and reduces the frequency of required cleanings. 1.6 gallons per flush, universal height, ADA compliant. The TOTO Drake does not carry a MAP certification stamp in its marketing materials, but its review base, the largest of any product on this list, reflects a performance record that is built across years of verified residential installation. The HOROW is the entry point for MAP 1000 gram certification on this list. MAP 1000 grams is the maximum score issued by independent maximum performance testing, meaning this toilet reliably cleared 1000 grams of simulated waste in standardized lab conditions. At this price, MAP 1000 gram certification is uncommon. The HOROW is a compact 2-piece with a round bowl and ADA chair height of 17 inches, the extra tall configuration that makes seating and rising easier for a wide range of users. Single flush at 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified. The compact footprint suits bathrooms where a standard 2-piece would extend too far into the room. For a buyer whose primary criterion is independently certified flush performance at the lowest possible price, the HOROW is the relevant product on this list. The Casta Diva is a 1-piece compact toilet at a budget price point with one of the strongest real-world review bases among the under $250 options covered here. Dual flush operation at 1.1 and 1.6 gallons per flush gives the user control over water volume per cycle. A 1.6 gallon full flush for solid waste, and 1.1 gallons for liquid. ADA chair height at 17 inches. The 1-piece construction removes the tank to bowl joint, simplifying cleaning and reducing the mechanical points where leaks develop over time. Over 300 verified buyers have reviewed this toilet, and the consistent feedback reflects a flush cycle that performs reliably in real bathrooms rather than just in spec sheets. For a buyer prioritizing cost and verified real-world flush consistency in a compact 1-piece format, the Casta Diva is the logical choice at this tier. The DeerValley combines MAP 1000 gram certification with a rimless bowl design, a pairing that is relevant specifically to long-term flush hygiene. In a conventional toilet, the internal rim channel collects mineral deposits, bacteria, and residue that standard cleaning tools do not easily reach. A rimless bowl eliminates that channel entirely, leaving only open ceramic surfaces that water and brushes can access directly. The DeerValley flushes at 1.0 and 1.28 gallons per flush on its dual flush cycle. Both values fall below the EPA WaterSense threshold while delivering MAP 1000 gram performance. ADA height compliant. For a buyer whose flush concern is not just power but long-term bowl cleanliness under repeated cycling, the combination of MAP certification and rimless geometry that the DeerValley offers is worth the specific consideration. The Kohler Highline Classic is the only pressure-assisted toilet on this list, where gravity flush toilets rely entirely on the weight of water falling from the tank. Pressure-assisted designs use the household water supply pressure to compress air inside a sealed tank vessel. When the flush valve opens, that compressed air releases alongside the water, adding a burst of energy to the flush cycle that gravity alone cannot replicate. The result is a more forceful, faster-draining flush, particularly for bulk waste. Kohler calls this system pressure light. 2-piece elongated configuration, left-hand trip lever. For buyers in homes with older drain lines, partial blockage history, or consistently heavy use, Pressure Assist delivers a flush mechanism that goes beyond what gravity feed can provide, and the Highline Classic is the accessible way to access that technology. The Swiss Madison Sublime 2 brings the largest verified buyer review count on this list, over 800 real-world residential purchases that collectively represent a broad dataset of flush performance under normal household conditions. dual flush at 1.1 and 1.6 gallons per flush. Round skirted one-piece construction with a concealed trapway running in a single clean line to the floor. ADA compliant. Available in matte black. The skirted trapway eliminates the external plumbing contours on the base that accumulate residue in conventional designs, a detail that is relevant not just aesthetically, but for cleaning access around the base of the toilet. For a buyer who wants flush confidence, supported by the most independently documented real-world track record in this category, the Sublime 2's review base speaks on its own terms. Closing the list is the American Standard Champion 4, the most mechanically assertive flush on this list by design specification. The Champion 4 uses American Standard's Class 6 flushing technology, a fully glazed trapway combined with a 3-inch flush valve, the largest standard flush aperture in the residential category. That valve diameter allows the tank to empty more rapidly, delivering a higher volume flush wave in less time. MAP 1000 grams certified, 1.6 gallons per flush. EverClean antimicrobial surface treatment applied to the bowl interior. Comfort height one-piece construction. For a household where flush failure is not acceptable, multiple daily users, heavy use cycles, a plumbing configuration where partial blockages have been a recurring issue, the Champion 4 is the product on this list engineered specifically for that demand. Those are 7 toilets with distinct flush performance stories for 2026, from the TOTO Drake's centrifugal tornado flush to the American Standard Champion 4's Class 6 aperture. The right pick depends on what flush problem you're actually solving: certified MAP performance, pressure-assisted power, low water efficiency, or long-term bowl hygiene. Links to all 7 are in the description. If this helped you find the right flush for your situation, give the video a like and subscribe for more guides.